multiple floppy disks, not the one that only has one, the one with multiple floppy disks. And then, or you just press Control Shift S. Then you can name it whatever you want. Press Enter, or of course, click Save. Don't worry if those little parentheses show up, it's supposed to. If you really want to know actually like what exactly this does, then you can just do one of the quotation keys, not this, but this, and not this, and just type it. It doesn't change anything. It doesn't show what it actually says ever. But yeah, I will type in shows the web browser form. Don't bother putting a period. I don't think you're really allowed to. I don't know though. You probably can. I don't know why you wouldn't. And then yeah. Then either press debug and then start debugging, or press F5. And I will do that. Start debugging. Here it is. Here's your form, or whatever, but it's not done yet. Hold on, I'll show you. Notice that nothing's loading or anything. We'll get to that in a second. Okay, so close out of your program that you just made, and then go to webbrowser.vb. Click on the web page or web browser thing, the web browser, whatever you want to call it, and then go down to URL, because there isn't any text. So, and then just name it to, if I were you, I would do http:// pretty sure this is considered a backslash, what it always is, www.google.com, not com, whoops, backslash, and then yeah, it'll automatically go. Press F5 to start debugging. Click on the button. The page is loading. Just have to wait a second. Sometimes it will take a little longer because it's not technically, it's the internet, but it's like not official, I guess you could say. And then yeah, the reason you don't want the web browser to be in the first form is because it doesn't resize for some reason. I don't really know exactly why, it just doesn't. But this it does. It resizes itself. See that? And if you ever want to go to a website, just type it in the Google search box, like youtube.com, and then it will say it will almost always, unless it's some site like, some site that has a pretty common word that is used for a lot of things. But yeah, it will most likely be that you click on the first link, most likely, and almost always. And yeah. So this works obviously. Of course, YouTube's performing site maintenance, so I can't upload this video just yet. But yeah. Okay, then exit. Close out the form. Control Shift S. Go to project. Not project. Build. Publish my web browser. Not build. Publish. And then choose a location. I will just choose a desktop. And then, put I think this is considered a front slash. What command lines use? And then just put my web browser, something like that. And then it will not. This time, if you do what I just did, then it will save it all into a folder. Yeah, press next. From a CD-ROM or DVD-ROM, you don't need that. It just creates the files and everything for it. So if you want to, for some reason, put a web browser on a CD-ROM, that'd be kind of weird, but yeah. It automatically contains a setup and everything. And don't bother doing the update thing. I don't really think you would need it. And anyways, click on the application will not check for updates. Next. Okay, this is just the summary. Application will be published to users Aaron desktop my web browser. And yeah, a shortcut will normally be added to the start menu. So yeah, and it can easily be installed by using the add, remove programs, uninstall a program, whatever it's called. Then click finish, and then it will be publishing. It only takes really a second with this. Build started, publish building, publish succeeded, and this is it. Here you go. This is the folder. It automatically opens. And you can just click on setup or this. No, you don't click on that actually. I think you can, but just don't bother. Click on setup or whatever it's called. It should be called setup. I don't know why it wouldn't. Install. Should only take a second. And then yeah, it automatically opens. And there you go. Those are the basics to installing a very quite limited web browser. Oh yeah, and just a little note: if you ever want to go back or forward, to go back, hold Alt left button. To go forward, just click Alt right button. And to refresh the page, press F5. I'll show you. Google Alt left. And there you go. LOL. LOL. LUL. LOL. Don't ask why I did that. You never know. And yeah. See ya, everybody.